The subconscious or subjective part of the mind, Part 4. The majority of our mind is made up of the subconscious. While we think with the conscious part, everything is recorded in the subconscious. This subjective part of the mind serves 4 essential functions. 1. It stores all thoughts and events, even those we can't consciously recall. 2. It's a reservoir of ideas, instincts, and insights that can't be accessed directly through rational thinking. 3. It manages automatic bodily functions, like organ activity, without conscious effort. 4. It carries out commands from the conscious mind, reinforcing beliefs like, "I'm the best," or "people hate me," and making them a reality. Part of the subconscious works like a massive memory bank, where everything we think, say, and do gets imprinted. It holds our past experiences, feelings, desires, fears, and more, used later, when decisions are made subconsciously. We don't think about when to breathe. That's handled by stored subconscious information. Processes we call routine, habit, or experience are subconscious operations outside our awareness. When something happens subconsciously, it can feel as though it's happening on its own. We often remember things we thought were forgotten, because the subconscious never forgets. It just stores memories deep within, until the right conditions bring them to the surface. This usually happens when the conscious mind quiets down and allows the subconscious to emerge. In stillness, clarity comes. The subconscious also controls all automatic bodily functions. Everything we do without conscious thought is run by the subconscious. It intuitively senses what we want and acts without the need for conscious input. When walking, we don't consciously command each leg and movement, yet the process is complex and synchronized with breathing, heartbeat, and internal functions. Walking is just one of countless processes handled subconsciously. Think of digestion, oxygen intake, and more. This is where we see the superior intelligence of the subconscious. If we had to manage all this consciously, it would be overwhelming. That's the hidden power within you, a wise, silent ally working every moment on your behalf. Trust it, train it, and your life will begin to flow in ways you never imagined possible.